Hi, welcome back guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to turn on dark mode in Killbot. Maybe you want to use dark mode in Killbot but you don't know how. So today I am going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Killbot. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your any browser application. For this example, I will be using my Chrome. Once you open your Chrome, tap on the search bar and then go to this website called killbot.com. And then once you are in here, as you can see, we are in a light mode. So to change this to dark mode, tap on these three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. And then once you are in here, you'll see here the paraphraser, grammar checker, plagiarism checker, summarizer, and citation generator. And you can also use Skillbot Premium and Help Center. You can contact them and then this is the languages. So to switch to dark mode, tap on this switch to dark mode. As you can see, you already switched to dark mode. So to switch it again to light mode, just simply tap on this switch to light mode. Another way to dark mode in Killbot, just simply turn on the dark mode settings in your phone. There you go. If you wanted to know how to turn on dark mode in your Killbot, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to turn on dark mode in Killbot, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.